Took a little something. It was a bit late entering because my copier didn't work. It's annoying. I kind of wanted to stay in, I guess. What was my entry? 44.50. Yeah, I wanted 43.50. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, this sucks a bit. I got out for, I don't know why. Well, I know why, because I was late and the copy didn't work, so it got me a little bit, you know, not in focus. But yeah, so clearly I was targeting that 43.50 here, which I kind of wanted to see hold and break, which it did here. So with that, I'm thinking, because it's still close to my exit, I guess, yeah. Stupid, but anyway. I mean, they could still hold, right? It's a settlement, so, you know, nothing is done yet, but I think it's a good chance that the 43.50s for 75s that they hold, for at least a test to here, 51.25. So maybe I have a chance to buy it again. I'm a little bit more hesitant to do that, but yeah. But maybe I should see it right now. Let's see. Yeah, it really has to go back above the 43. Above 44 is kind of, otherwise it's just breaking down. So yeah. We have news in 20 minutes, I think, yeah. Yeah, so far it doesn't look to fly anymore on the longs. If it's breaking down, then we should probably short 43.44-ish. So let's see if they can still hold it right now, because it's still valid, I think, the long. Yeah, didn't even get 2 points. Okay, fine. But yeah, it might still be good. Let's see how they react here. Kind of want to buy the 43s, I think, no? But they should hold. I think I want to buy it. Tricky. Ah, really? You're not gonna fill me? Wow. Oh, no, filled me. No, I probably don't want it anymore. Okay, let's see. Go to yeah, it's tricky now, I think. I think I want to go below this one. Just the point. Oh, now they go. Ah, I'm so stupid. Yeah, I do this so often. Now it goes like it goes. I'm just trying to bank something, you know, and just before the moves comes, I'm out, and it's probably gonna go right to where I thought it would be. I would gonna go exit here, I think, but like 49.50, something like that. That was the plan. And the target should be this, where the volume came in. Ah, man, this. No patience on my end, no patience. Like, at least a test of settlement, right? Yeah, it doesn't make much sense. But anyway, got a little something. I'm just playing with one lot because, you know, I'm copying it to 6 accounts. But yeah, you know, Still, I would not have stopped out on the 43.50 if I would have done that. I think no, 3 points now I would have stopped out. I think right at the low, which is not a good level because it was exactly the low. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, it's some. Yeah, I don't know. It's a bit annoying now seeing it run to 49.50. Wow. It's 5 points higher. Wow. I feel already a little bit annoyed with myself not being able to hold anything. Yeah, it's annoying. Here it is, 51 quarters. Wow. Why did I exit, guys? I don't know. It was just, yeah, honestly, I don't know. Just to bank something, and that's the worst reason. But yeah, that's why I'm recording this to, also review myself. Yeah, and this is clearly needed. Yeah. So that probably should check out higher prices even, but that's news in 50 minutes, so who knows. Yeah, so this one. Yeah, I'd say so. I guess there should be stops above the 55.50s, right? Probably. I would think so. But yeah, there's a big bulk of volume here, so that, yeah, it's looks more like a reject right now, but yeah. So yeah, checking settlement. Yeah, it might still be good for a long, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, didn't do it. Yeah, I still see it going higher. I still see it making new highs. I'm not sure where to enter right now. Yeah, the news. I mean, 50 minutes is still a long time for me. But yeah. Yeah, we'll see the resistance now. Any resistance, 51 quarters could be. But I don't see how that wouldn't check out these prices here, because I'm assuming there's gonna be a lot of stops going off there. But yeah, they don't have to do anything. They can do whatever. But that's my thinking. Yeah. They should. They really should. Yeah. But anyway, if they don't, then yeah, we could check out lower. Check out the VWAP at least. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so so it's pretty. Didn't make much yet. Yeah, this trade should have been. Why did I sell here? I really don't know. Yeah, it's funny. Still considering a long, but not really sure where to enter. It could be right here, but you know, it feels like I'm chasing. So if I do that, then a stop needs to be like 46.50. So 3 points, so 46.50. Yeah, could do it, but I can already miss it now. Maybe, yeah. That's funny. I guess I did the same calculations. Yeah. Yeah, that would have been 49.50. Yeah. Yeah, that would have been it. Wow, it's annoying. Yeah. I mean, it would have taken 3 points probably, like 49, so 49, 42.50. I didn't hit. One tick. One tick, yeah. Okay. But I probably would have put it here, like 51.75 with the highest volume here. So that means my stop needs to be like 48. Yeah, I feel like I'm too late now. It's 10 minutes until the news. I still think we're gonna visit this area, you know, to just check out stops and potentially test even this. Just like another 40 points, but we don't have to do it, but you know, usually when there's a lot of stops, I will go for it, and I don't know where they are, but like they seem pretty obvious that they were gonna be here around 60, 65 maybe, or something like that. So yeah, that's why I'm thinking that. Yeah, some 51s. Ooh. So this could be the trap. If they go straight back up, this could be the trap. Like here, like this would have been the stop, you know. If they go now above 51s, it seems to be a good long, I guess. Yeah, if they don't get above it, then it's obviously either neutral or negative. Yeah, they need to get above this volume here. Yeah, it's too close to the news, I think. And I might check out, like, you know, 44s again here. VPOC. But still, the bias is to the long side until they break something. Yeah, because waiting for the news. Not gonna do anything before that. 7 minutes? No. Yeah, well, my trades are quicker, but you know, I don't know. Yeah. If they really want to bring it up, they should have put it back above 51s already, I think. So yeah, I'm not super sure anymore. I think they maybe just still waiting for the catalyst for the news, or you know, to do that maybe. Who knows? Yeah, I'm thinking it's just pulling in stops here, but yeah, I can't go long 5 minutes before the news. And still, like it's hanging around, you know, midpoint and settlement, so it's tricky. But I still think the long is good here. Should probably try it at 46.50, but yeah. After that little flunk. Yeah, probably. But anyway, I'm gonna wait for news. Yeah, waiting for the news. Another flushy. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a bet all about settlement, like either to hold or not. And it's, of course, right where the news is gonna hit, so will probably be hard to trade it. But yeah, let's see. 4 minutes. Yeah. It's a long wait. It's not much, but like when you have to wait for it, like it's long. 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, so wanna buy it, but like, yeah, I need something more than this. I went straight back to 44. Yeah, yeah, it did. It did. 44s that I kind of wanted to buy. Yeah, it's annoying that they do this just for news. Kind of figured out because it's the most annoying thing they can do, right? It's not gonna make it easy for anyone. For 47. That's very annoying. Super annoying, actually. Yeah. Two minutes. Yeah, interesting. So just running the range, kind of. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not touching it anyway before the news hits. So yeah, it's all fun. But yeah, they're working on it. I still think it's gonna go up, but like it's just a gamble when it's on news, right? So yeah, what do you do? Wait and hope for a pullback, something like that. But like, let's see. I mean, it might as well just bring it down. So we don't know. We don't know. Here we go. Couple seconds. Yeah. Let me up. Oh. Okay, well, that was lucky. Should have been more careful with that, but anyway, made it work. Yeah, I wanted to buy the VPOC kind of level. At the 45s, but I clicked the wrong price, I think. Where did I click? 47. Whoa, 47.50. Yeah, I bought way too high. Anyway, I got out very quickly. I got out at 50. Oh, okay, not too bad. Okay, well, okay, not too bad. Up 1,500 in total. Yeah, I still think it's gonna go higher, so I'm kind of feel I should buy it again here. This feels very, very iffy, because especially after news. So I'm kind of scared, I guess. But I think I should do it. Maybe not. I'll give it a little room, not so much. Yeah, no. I'm not too comfortable with this one. No, stopping out here. Yeah, I just want to get out here. Oh, no, it's going. Sure, of course it's going. Yeah, it's annoying. Okay. I mean, I wanted to get out, so it's fine, but I want to get a little bit more clear picture of what they're trying to do. I'm not feeling it yet. Now it might go, actually. Yeah. Should go here, here, here. Yep. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of what I had in mind. Then it would just go. As soon as they hear one tick, the low, I wanted to get in. You know, like it seems like it's a trap. And now, yeah, I'm not feeling it today. I'm just trading one loss, but you know, I think they're gonna make new highs now. I really think so. So it's funny because I'm really like, I was talking to a friend yesterday and I was really considering trading micros, and I think it's just an ego thing because I haven't traded micros in I don't know how many years. I remembered that they weren't there, you know, so yeah, here we go. New highs. Oh man. Oh, this is funny. Yeah. It sucks because like my X was 50 and now 53, so 3 points, $150 per account. So you know, it's a lot. It's almost 1K. Yeah, there's a bit, but it's the reason I'm making this recording is to review myself, right? Because like I'm doing this too often. My entries are usually pretty good. Pretty high win rate. But I just exit way too soon and they always go further than I think. And for that reason I'm recording this, and for that reason I should analyze it and, you know, just have my stop in more often and then just take the stop and then, you know, don't worry about like, you know, letting it trade around your entry a little bit. Because I want to always exit as soon as possible, you know, and there's not per se something wrong with it, but it is if it's like all the time running much further than you, well, not further than you thought it would go. It would exactly go where you thought it would go, but you already exited, right? So that's my issue. So I think at least I will watch the recording back, but I called these trades pretty well, and then I wasn't able to hold into it. So I said, like, oh, new highs, yeah. So, but where did I exit? I exited way before the new high. Or even a high test would have been enough, right? So, like 52.75 or 52.50, whatever. Fine, if you want to exit. But yeah, I exit at 50. It's 2 points. Like, it's at least 2 points that I left on the table there for no reason. Other than, you know, not wanting to give it back, I think. But yeah, it's so silly because like the only thing you can do here to make money is to take risk, right? If you don't take risk, you cannot make anything. And even now, like last month, it was 16 years that I've been trading full time, pretty much. So still do this stuff, and I've gotten away with it like so long because it went well. You know, and then yeah, you get a little bit easier. But yeah, like the friend I've been talking to lately really showed me that I was doing that and how potentially I left so much on the table for like more or less the same risk, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna look into it. I'm probably gonna do like a summary videos instead of live streaming, because I don't know, live streaming just gets me to trade differently, I'd say. I don't want it to interfere with my trading, so yeah. Anyway, so I still think we're gonna make new highs. This little flush was kind of good. I wasn't watching, I was talking. Should have probably bought 49.50. Let me see if that's still a good idea or not. 49.50. Well, sort of. 49.50 till like 48. Till like here. Ideally 48, I guess. But that's the open again. So yeah, maybe I would not do it now because it might be a reject at this point, you know. Because they checked again, they topped the high, and now they might try to see on the lower end and maybe even test the VWAP. So I'm gonna hold off on this long. Yeah. And if they really break down, I might even look for a short near like 47, 40, 47-ish. Yeah. Yeah. Probably. Yeah, back to the open. Yeah, this looks more negative now. For sure. For sure now. Yeah. Well, there we are. VWAP. Could have short into that. Nah, it was not a setup right away. I think it was. Although I felt it going there. I wouldn't be super comfortable just hitting market sell or something, you know. But it's interesting. It's rejecting it like again a bit there, you know. This could be the fake out to make new highs into the 60s, 70s, whatever. Yeah, man, and if not, they're trying really to put in a good top, I guess, here. I don't really see it happening though, because like I think there's too many people short still. Just a feeling, but yeah, I don't know. Anything's possible. Even we need only one tweet also, and just to throw things off the whole other way. But yeah, I think we're gonna go straight back up. That's what I'm thinking. So they just put it back to VWAP, get some buyers in, get some cheap inventory, and then make new highs. That's kind of my idea, but I don't know how to play that right now. Yeah, either just should have bought VWAP and then say like, yeah, whatever. No, well, that would have been nice though. 39. Wow. Yeah. So, yeah. Interesting. It's gonna be an interesting review video. And then what I said to short it, what did I say? 47, right? It's there right now. I went there, but I still feel it's not a super reject. But I could have scalped a bit. I mean, it went all the way to 45. Yeah, I could have scalped 2 points for sure. So I, should have stick to my plan, I guess, and then just execute, and then be okay with the risk if it doesn't work out. And I guess it wasn't okay with that. Yeah. But still, I think I'm gonna make new highs. But yeah, let's see. I wish I would have longed into that, but yeah, tricky one. It's a beautiful dip here, VWAP low, like with this LVN area right here. Oh, it's even better than I thought it was. But yeah, I cannot buy it here right now. It's just too much risk on the downside. But still, I still think we're gonna make new highs. Yeah, I think so. Let's see. If not, they're like this area on the VPOC, it could be also good resistance, right? So 48 and settlement, you know, 47 quarters. So there's a few things going on here that is not like right away gives you an entry or something like that. But yeah, maybe it's going. Yeah. What do you do? My thinking is if I buy it right, like I would buy it like here right now, then and it's like okay, 48, let's go, and then I would buy the high, you know, like where do you put your risk? Like your risk is like here at least like 40, 43. It's like 40, like too much for me. Yeah. Well, here it goes. I mean, it's annoying to see it play out. It's good to see it play out. It means that I was like right about that seeing that, but like yeah, it doesn't get me anything, right? It's like, oh, good. Well, oh, so amazing. You called it right. Yeah, but like, you know, didn't make money off it, so it doesn't matter. Well, it's okay. So if I bought the 48s, let's say I did that, then I went all the way to 50. So I would have gotten another 2 points. It's a lot of 2 points that I missed. And in the end, they kind of add up, you know. Miss it 3 times, you know, $300. Yeah. Plus, I'm still thinking it's gonna make new highs, right? So yeah, it's just funny. Yeah, I don't want to just take an entry. No. Okay. Well, it would have worked anywhere. Damn, it's exactly what they're doing. Wow, made nothing of it. That's super annoying. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Well, there's no way I can just try it without taking risk, right? So I needed to risk something to do that, and yeah, it's just, yeah, it's annoying. This happens too often. It's just annoying. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it made the high, so I mean, target accomplished. Yeah, it would have been nice if I was able to get into 53 something from whatever year. It's 10 points. Wow, at least. Yeah, that's funny. That is funny. Yeah, so okay. Well, it played out. So you know, went for the memory bank, I guess. Made some, not much. Yeah, not much. Oh, 325. Okay, well, not terrible. It's not terrible because I did it with one loss, right? So I got like a little over 6 points with that. So it's not. I should have had at least 10 points in total, but with the one lot. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can complain about this too much, to be honest. It's kind of lucky with the news flush, where I thought I entered lower. But yeah, I'm mostly annoyed with that. I called the long before it happened. I think already. I'm not. Maybe I'm making this up, but I think before. We will see in video. But yeah. So VWAP test, little trap, get people off sides, and then make new highs. So it's exactly what they did. And I still think they're gonna make new highs the rest of the day. So. Because I think there's too many shorts still in the market that can use a little push. but yeah, yeah. Here we go. It's funny. It's funny, man. Like, yeah, it's funny. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I mean, I'm not sure where I should buy it right now, and if it rejects from here, I'm less interested in buying it because, like, yeah. So where should it go to? Like here, like 50s. Yeah, overnight high. I mean, yeah, good work. Yeah, I don't see anything right now, and it's too slow to just enter or for a scalp. But like, I still see it going higher, but I don't see a good entry to go long. I need more pullback for that, and this would have been it, the pullback, but I didn't see that as a good entry, I guess. Although. No. So, you know, nah. But I'm okay. I mean, not too happy, but like almost 2K total. Yeah. Yeah. Well, should have. Yeah. Well, it's a lesson, right? It's a lesson. So, yeah. Oh, it went exactly to where I marked it. Wow. You see that? Wow. 55. Wow. That's magic, guys. That's magic. And then don't make money off it. That's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I mean, I'm okay. I have plenty of other things to do. Yeah, so I'll try to do some summary videos and not, you know, having the pressure of online streaming. Maybe I'll do that later again, but I don't know if it's my thing. It's also hard to, you know, be motivated when you don't have much viewers live, honestly. But we'll see. Yeah, so I hope this is gonna be a good summary video. You know, yeah, at least the trades were taken live and, you know, and copied and, you know, things like that. And I hope my look at the market is somewhat of help for you. And the platform, of course. I mean, yeah, you know, I worked a long time on the platform. Yeah, so thanks for that. If you're watching the video on YouTube or wherever, like, please give it a like and a comment if you want. Let me know what else you want to see, or, you know, if you want to hear some other analysis from me, or, you know, things like that. Always happy to do that. I think I got a little bit of experience to be able to do that. Yeah, and then catch you in the next one.